Revolutionizing hospitality. Meet the XMAN-F1 Humanoid robot. What if Stepford's spouses and Rube Goldberg machines had a baby? Welcome to the future of hospitality automation, where lifelike humanoid robots finally get serious about the mundane. XMAN-F1, Keenon Robotics' newest bipedal sensation, captivated audiences at the WAIC 2025 conference with baptism by fire, literally. While its on-stage feats of drink mixing and popcorn scooting dazzled attendees, CEO Li Tong delivered a blunt reality check. We're not chasing sci-fi bombs. We're looking to deck aces in baseline tasks. Here's why that strategy might just reshape robot-human collaboration forever. From spectacle to spreadsheet. But here's the kicker. Those viral videos of XMAN-F1 performing pale in comparison to the pragmatic projects happening behind closed doors. The Shanghai-based innovator framed its WAIC showcase as a proof-of-concept resistance test, not merely a heist show. 3 real-world stations prove the robot's mettle. A medical station, where it collaborated with Keenon's M104 logistics bot. A lounge bar serving personalized cocktails, in tandem with a T10 delivery robot. And a live product demo stage where pre-programmed presentations rolled out sans human intervention. The Tesla approach to robot evolution. Li Tong isn't just killing. He's taking a page from Elon's playbook. We're not building a Swiss Army knife robot, he clarified to the South China Morning Post. Humanoids will evolve. Single tasks first, multiple capabilities later. Simplicity breeds reliability, and reliability fuels adoption. So, what's the vector? Think small. Think repeatable. Think popcorn. Yes, you read that right. Take a cue from Tesla's Optimus, which serves popcorn at supercharger stations. Keenon plans to deploy humanoids in hospitality and delivery workflows first. Why? Because restaurants and hospitals are desperate for reliable automation now. And today's AI models can love handling those predictable scenarios. Plus, it's a data goldmine. Each repetitive task trains the system for more complex responsibilities later. Building robot ecosystems. Don't picture a single XMAN-F1 taking over a hotel lobby. Keenon envisions swarms, entire fleets of specialized robots working in harmony. Picture this. A medical scenario where XMAN-F1 handles patient interactions while the M104 whisks medications to treatment rooms. In the bar area, XMAN-F1 mixes cocktails while the T10 roomers them to thirsty customers. This closed-loop solution isn't just marketing jargon. It's about creating invisible efficiency through cooperation. The numbers don't lie. Keenon isn't just a bright-eyed startup. They're a commercial robotics powerhouse. With 22.7% of global service robot shipments and 40.4% of food delivery robots already bearing their brand, they're positioning XMAN-F1 as the latest addition to a 100,000-plus unit-strong army. Sales are projected to jump 50% this year, but it's not about the hardware. It's the AI brain. Years of environmental data collection and mechanical engineering experience have given Keenon an edge in understanding real-world robot challenges. From viral stunts to subtle innovations, China's lately been awash in humanoid viral stunts, line-dancing robots, boxing bouts, even marathons. But Keenon considers these distractions. Their Pudong headquarters houses a cramped but effective showroom where robots practice navigating stairs and narrow corridors. Because that's the real challenge. Embodied AI isn't about looking human. It's about being marginally more useful than having a simple person. Final thoughts. So will the race to build perfect humanoids slow traction for practical automation? Keenon says no. They're betting big on the incremental approach, mastering the basics now, expanding capabilities methodically. As Li Tong put it, robots don't need to be geniuses. They just need to be very good at a few things. What do you think? Should humanoids focus on solving specific tasks today, Rather than pursuing ambitious all-in-one capabilities? Share your thoughts. We'd love to hear. Back to basics. Keenon Robotics Pragmatic Humanoid Innovation. Humanoid robots are not about to take over the world overnight, at least not according to Keenon Robotics, a company based in Shanghai that is taking a refreshingly practical approach to this futuristic technology. The reality is that introducing humanoid robots into everyday life will be a slow and steady journey, starting with straightforward, repetitive tasks. The dream of fully adaptable, multifunctional humanoid robots is still far off on the horizon. Keenon Robotics, founded in 2010, has quickly risen to become a global leader in commercial service robots. According to the research firm IDC, the company captured nearly 23% of the worldwide shipment market last year, a remarkable achievement. To date, Keenon has sold over 100,000 robot units across the globe, and they anticipate their sales to surge by 50% this year alone. Currently, Keenon's robots are highly effective at specific jobs such as delivering goods, cleaning spaces, and disinfecting environments. Tasks that are repetitive but essential. The real challenge lies in finding practical, everyday uses for humanoid robots, including 2 new models they introduced this year. At the recent World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Keenon showcased 2 new bipedal humanoid robots named XMAN-F1. These robots demonstrated their capabilities by scooping and handing out popcorn to attendees in the exhibition area. At Keenon's booth, another robot was on hand to serve freshly made cocktails, highlighting the potential for humanoids to assist in hospitality settings. But here's where it gets controversial. Keenon's founder and CEO, Li Tong, openly admits that the company is not aiming to build an all-purpose humanoid robot just yet. We expect the deployment of humanoid robots to progress gradually, Li explained. They will start by handling single, well-defined tasks, then move on to managing multiple tasks, and eventually develop broader, more versatile capabilities. And this is the part most people miss. While the media often portrays humanoid robots as near magical helpers capable of doing everything, the reality is much more nuanced. The path to truly versatile humanoids is incremental and requires careful, step-by-step advancements. What do you think? Are you excited about the slow and steady integration of humanoid robots into daily life? Or do you believe companies like Keenon should push harder for more advanced, multifunctional robots right now? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Keenon Robotics, revolutionizing simple tasks with humanoid robots. Imagine a world where robots are an integral part of our daily lives, making tasks easier and more efficient. This is the vision of Keenon Robotics, a Shanghai-based company that's making waves in the robotics industry. Founded in 2010, Keenon has established itself as a leader in the commercial service robot market, with a global shipment market share of nearly 23% last year, according to IDC. But what sets Keenon apart from other robotics companies is its focus on deploying humanoid robots for simple and repetitive tasks. At the World Artificial Intelligence Conference in Shanghai, Keenon showcased its new bipedal humanoid model, XMAN-F1, which demonstrated capabilities like serving popcorn and offering cocktails to visitors. But here's where it gets interesting. Keenon's founder and CEO, Li Tong, stated that the company doesn't expect to create an all-purpose robot at this stage. Instead, they're taking a pragmatic approach, gradually integrating humanoid robots into real-world applications, starting with single tasks and evolving to multiple tasks. This approach may seem counterintuitive, but it's actually a clever strategy. By focusing on specific tasks, Keenon can refine its technology and make its robots more efficient and effective. And with the company's existing robots already proficient in tasks like delivering items, cleaning, and disinfecting, It's clear that Keenon is on the right track. But what does this mean for the future of robotics? As Keenon continues to push the boundaries of what's possible with humanoid robots, we can expect to see more companies following suit. And with the global robotics market projected to grow exponentially in the coming years, it's an exciting time for the industry. So what can we learn from Keenon's approach? For one, it's clear that the key to success lies in gradual integration and refinement of technology. By focusing on specific tasks and evolving to more complex ones, companies can create more efficient and effective robots. And with the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning, the possibilities for robotics are endless. But here's the part most people miss: the importance of data-driven decision-making. Keenon's success is largely due to its ability to analyze market trends and make informed decisions. And with the help of AI-powered market intelligence platforms like IndexBox, companies can gain valuable insights into the market and make data-driven decisions to drive growth. In fact, IndexBox's report on the industrial robot market in China provides a comprehensive analysis of the market, including historical data, forecast, and trade dynamics. The report covers topics like market size, structure, and trends, as well as trade balance, per capita consumption, and market forecast to 2035. And with its AI-powered platform, IndexBox provides companies with the tools they need to make informed decisions and drive growth. So, what's the takeaway? As the robotics industry continues to evolve, it's clear that companies like Keenon are leading the charge. And with the help of data-driven decision-making and AI-powered market intelligence, companies can stay ahead of the curve and drive growth in the industry. But we want to hear from you. What do you think is the most exciting development in the robotics industry? Do you think Keenon's approach is the right one? Or do you think companies should be focusing on creating all-purpose robots? Let us know in the comments.